Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Leica D-LUX 8 with the Leica Q3. So the sensor is better for the Leica Q3. Then also the ICR range, you have 200 to 25, 1600 comparing to 50 to 100,000. So there is a huge difference in that. Now the lens are better, it really depends on the needs. And then the screen is better for Q3, you can have tilting. Then also the Q3 got better viewfinder, better continuous shooting speed, and also better video resolution 8K, so that's huge, and high speed video. And the weight is better for D-LUX 8 by a huge margin. So when you're gonna look here, the D-LUX got better max shutter, better weight, focal length wide, focal length tele, optical zoom. On the other hand, with the Leica Q3, you have LCD screen, viewfinder, sensor resolution, max ACO, number of focus points, max aspect shutter, continuous shooting, battery life, environmental ceiling, max aperture. It's like all these things you have better. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.